So we're on our way to the Sydney Opera House. We're going to do a private tour, tour group there. It's not open right now. Unfortunately, there's no shows going on right now because I'd love to be in there and hear the acoustics. But we're going to take a tour and I'm going to bring you along with us. So let's go check out the Sydney Opera House. So interesting tidbit, there's 71 steps to get up to the top. So if you don't like steps, you're not going to like it 71 times. That's pretty interesting. These are all oyster shells. All of them. Pretty cool, huh? Just take a picture of it and make it a puzzle. That should drive any person mad. So if you're coming for the guided tour, you need to come inside and go to the lower ground level. There's where you meet everybody for the tour. I've never been to open air elevator. How cool is that? So we just finished the Opera House tour. It was really cool. Sadly, you're not allowed to take any video or photography except for in like the vestibule areas. We were able to take a picture of the main concert hall because there's nobody there and no sets, and apparently it's all about privacy. So like if one person came out, then we'd have to stop taking pictures and stuff like that. But it's pretty interesting to learn some of the history behind it. So it took 16 years to build. The main architect ended up getting fired when a political party changed hands. The person that took over didn't like Utzon, the main architect, so they brought somebody else in to finish it. But it is on the UNESCO World Heritage listings. They just went through from 2020 to 2023, July of 2023, a huge modernization for sounding acoustics using computers. So they were able to laser cut some soundboards to make the music just that much more better inside. The roof is made out of tiles from Germany that are so strong it will not absorb anything, which means they don't have to wash the tiles of the roof. So they like that too. But it's really interesting that I didn't realize there was 3 separate chambers in there. I thought it was just one large one, but there's 3 in there. So sorry about the lack of pictures and video, but if you're in Sydney, I would recommend it. There are 270 steps that you will go up throughout that 1-hour tour. So if you don't like steps, then if you didn't want to go up to 71 steps to go to the front of it, you're not going to like the 270 steps to go through the tour. It is broken up, so it's not excessive. I'd say probably about 45 steps at max at any given section. So no, it was pretty good. So
if I can do it, you can do it.
Yeah, because she can't do it. She did it. Anyway, that's the Sydney Opera House. You gotta check it out if you come. And that's probably one of the main reasons to come to Sydney,
It's
right?
a must.
Yes. Well, we'll see you next time.